I was raised a real meat and potatoes kind of guy, but as I matured, my doctor suggested it might not be the best diet for me. After a blood test, he said my uric acid levels are in the normal range, but I need to keep those levels in check. Besides changing what I eat, is there anything else I can do that would help?
A diet rich in fruits, grains, and vegetables is a great start for maintaining a healthy uric acid level. But recent research has shown that a standardized extract of the Terminalia bellirica tree can also help maintain healthy uric acid levels. Based on the positive results of these studies, we've added this patent-pending tannin-rich extract to our uric acid control formula.
I can't believe all the research that goes into developing life extension nutritional supplements. It's really incredible.
And speaking of research, Terminalia bellerica extract has also shown to provide support for a healthy inflammatory response.
I'm going to continue watching my weight by eating healthy, but it's nice to know that my uric acid levels aren't going to hold me back.